How's it going, YouTube? Back with another sugar-free review. Got a cool new Kaiser here today. And this is the deckhand. But a little bit different than the last one. This one's in serape. So you get a box. Inside of a box, a couple stickers. It's like paracord. Is that what this is called? Kydex sheath with a belt clip. Couple little serape doodads and a microfiber cloth. And this is the knife that you will not lose. If you're losing something this colorful, you might want to go to the eye doctor. This is the Kaiser deckhand, designed by Tyler Barnes. I'm guessing that's his logo right there. And I'm not sure of the price of this yet because it's not on the website yet or released at the time of filming. But the last one was $49, so I'm going to assume it's $49. Let's go over the specs. You got a 2.94 inch D2 blade, sheep's foot with the flat grind. D2 PVD coating. Yeah. You got a 0.12 inch blade stock or 3.2 millimeters. So about average. Let's check out the factory edge. Very sharp. Nicely done, Kaiser. But most of their knives come super sharp. You got an overall length of 6.33 inches. I do apologize, I didn't get out any good size comparisons. I do have a naked smolt with the scales off. It's a pretty good comparison. Very close. You got a 3.38 inch handle, 0.51 inches wide, and close, well, I guess I don't need to do that. And the screws on this one are T8. And the weight of this knife is 3.65 ounces or 4.95 ounces with the sheath. Let's get into that. I like the way they did the sheath on this one. It is not too tight, but it's not too loose either. And of course it has a belt clip, hooks on the belt, and it stays there. Does its job, nice and sturdy. The handle is a, what do they call it again? Serape G10. Pretty cool. It's probably a love it or hate it kind of material. You either love it or you don't. I guess it's kind of sort of like Mexican blanket micarta, but not really. Not really the best at reviewing fixed blades. You got plenty of jimping up top. And I can just barely get a full 4-finger grip on it. So if you got bigger hands, maybe not. So you got a lanyard hole or a paracord hole. Comes with a nicely done sharpening tool and kind of a finger guard too. Not really sure if they meant to do that, but your fingers back here, you're not going to slip up and cut yourself. Yeah. Not sure if these are going to be an Amazon exclusive or they'll be on the Kaiser website, but when I know the info, I will have it down in the description. Dislikes on this knife. It'd be nice if, well, I guess they do got one version without a PVD blade. But yeah, I guess PVD is a decent option for D2 still. D2 is not really bad for a fixed blade because it's tough. And yeah, decent edge retention. So yeah, what do you think of the Kaiser deck can? You know, if you're going to pick one up, subscribe if you haven't already. Give me a like and a comment, and I will see you on the next one.